whistle blow. Okay? Meron ng pito, yan. Okay, sino yung foul natin, rep? Foul on number 4. Teka lang. Turn 18, game clock 3:18. Okay. (47 to 43). Na naman, whistle blow. Okay? First, oh, wala. 310. Last row, meron na wala. Here he comes now for the team Limback. Number 27. Nazareno, didiskarte na. Kailangan na trumabaho. Pass to Roman, wala. Rila number 12. Ulit. Shot like a stand. 9, 8. Shot like reset. Pick up. Here comes now. Good shot. Look at number 27. Sanchez. Kevin Turner. Basket on number 23. Score is a 51-43. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Regadon. Pass to Morales. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Under the basket. 51-45. And now, passing your seatbelt, whistle blow. First, wala. Yes, whistle blow. Yan, sinabihan na kayo. Last 2 minutes. Here comes now, Sanchez on the drive lane. Puts it up, easy 2 points. 53-45, 8-point lead for the Pulumasnet. Here comes number 12, Regadon. Cabello, Pompey, baseline drive, zigzag, miss, and a rebound number 22.